Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check a seller's rating on Facebook Marketplace before making a purchase. Checking seller ratings helps you avoid scams and ensures you're buying from a trusted seller. This video is perfect for anyone who frequently shops on Facebook Marketplace and wants to make safer purchases in the future. This video is going to be short, super simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to check Facebook Marketplace sellers' rating before you purchase. So first things first is you're going to want to go to the Facebook app. You can do this a couple of ways. You can find it just scrolling through, or you can pull down, type in Facebook, and it'll pop up. So that's what I did. Just click on the Facebook app. You're going to want to hit the Marketplace button at the bottom. So there'll be this little shop icon. Click on that. And then what you want to focus on is actually going to be at the top of the screen. It's going to be your profile button. So click on that. Whenever that is loaded up, you're going to want to go to your inbox. So if you're going to want to check the seller's rating, be sure to just send them a message. Say, hey, is this item still available? Hey, just really whatever question to break the ice and to get them in your inbox. So we're going to go here and I'll just click on a random one of these. So I'll go here and then I will click on the top. This will give me a couple of options, but what I want to see is view marketplace profile. So we will go ahead and click that top option, and this will give me the ability to look at this person's rating. So for example, we're not going to name this guy, but you can see that he has 26 ratings, and out of those 26 ratings, it comes out to 4.4 stars. So I would say that this seller is pretty good, pretty trustworthy guy. I would, of course, go down, read a couple of the reviews, see what a couple of the non-5-star reviews are about just to be safe. But yeah, I would say this is a good seller. And that's really all there is to it when checking a seller's reviews before purchasing an item. So now that we have this tutorial out of the way, here's some important tips. Tip number 1 is not all sellers have ratings, especially if they're new sellers. My second tip is look for reviews and feedback from past buyers before even considering purchasing an item. My third and final tip is if a seller has poor reviews, proceed with caution or just go ahead and look for another seller to play it safe. But with the tutorial and the tips out of the way, that's all I really have for you today. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, really anybody, anyone that you think this video will help. But most importantly of all, please be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials and more videos in the future. But with all that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.